Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel.
Oh, why am I talking like this?
Okay, so I'm gonna show you something in Noob Train. I have played this game not on my channel. I mean, not when I'm recording. How did my pants break? But still, I haven't played this game when I was recording. Just get 10 moves. Let's just make I can't talk. Let's just make the noob Sean. If you don't know what Sean I'm talking about, go watch some HGTV. Oh my god. Where is it? Why does it look like my friend? Oh my. You. And I cross my heart and I hope to die. Look at the trail. Wait, I want to see something. Super Mario. Super Mario. Super Mario Brothers. Okay, it doesn't work again. Let's try again. Fling it? What? Yes! Oh. Betrayal. Get it off. Whip. Now watch me whip. Whip. Watch me nay. Okay. Why am I walking so fast? Alright. What they say? Oh. Oh my god. Only one survived. And I cross my heart and where'd they come from? Oops. Boo. I meant to say dude, but instead I said boo. Like, I'm so scary. Okay, you gotta move. You gotta... Eee! Meow, meow, meow. Super Mario Brothers. Wait! Oh my god! No! No! Why are they doing that? I like my walking. No, why are they going down there? And why are you pushing me? Oh my god. Is this infection's head? Where's my other show? And I cross my heart and I hope to die. Oh, she coming for my nose. One more time. Sorry. Come on. Don't you dare come for my nose. Oh great, now I need to spawn them again. Oh no, they're coming back to me. Yay, you're coming back to your father. I'm not their father. Okay, we gonna do this one more time. There. No! Wait a minute. Wait a damn minute. No, you can't tell me that did not fail. Come on. I tried to lie. Okay, people, come on. We're gonna make a full circle. Whoa. Ah! Kick. Who's playing Bloxburg? I know it's one of my friends. Server. No, not server side. I need to go to servers. Flip the. Who is? Oh, I hate X. I hate X. What? Amongst Us. Duke's Tower of Hell. Okay, that's all that we're gonna do today. So, bye.